of guess what's inside the box. Guess what's inside the box. Basically, we're gonna put the random items inside the box, and then you're gonna put your hands in here because I'm not gonna make high keys. You guys guess what's inside the box. Okay, get open, guys. Why are you on the chair? Yeah.
Why can't I be on the chair? You my guy can see over the thing.
Why are you looking in TV, man?
Because there's a call there. Ahoy! Where is the
What's that?
Ahoy! Don't.
What?
Nice one, right? Is the socks away?
No. One more guess.
One more.
One more guess.
What did you put there? Wait. It's a cloth.
What cloth?
Nah! What is this?
What color cloth is right?
A color!
It's right. You don't
I
the
thought
color.
you
You
what
only
color cloth is it? Yeah. Oh, can't be.
Point. Even make a point. What will I do with the even point?
Mas I go out now.
Oh, you.
Now why are you looking over my phone?
Oh, not I. Remember, there's around these 2 items though.
Oh, you watch the video back check if they call you the voice people.
No, but I'm just gonna cut it out like what the frick.
I'm just saying you must.
Okay, next round is 2 items now. Can do this one.
Why is there a cup there?
I just bring in the cup for an extra item for you.
You just bread here.
What kind of bread?
How you mean what kind of bread? Oh, there's something on the bread. There's something on the bread. Oh.
Kabis when your mommy made your bread, no? And you were small, no? And the juice it was go out, no? Soggy bread, remember? Pepslet bread?
Say,
A washing cloth?
nope.
No. It's glue, no? It's dog glue, no? It's my cap.
It's not there.
It's my cap.
It's not there.
Bro, it's my freaking cap right here.
It's not.
It's my blue cap.
It's not.
If I pull this thing out in my cap, I'm gonna tell you because I can feel this is a cap.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah! I still get the colors out here.
But that was the only cap that was lying there. That's why. Cape Town Boys anthem. Wait. Wait. Wait, how does it go? Cape Town Boys. 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 Town Boys. Cape Town Boys. 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 But the space is crazy, man.
You can go get the item, dude. The items. Why is the hotel line dropping down?
Is your eyes in your what's it about?
What give you? Give you can't see the video.
Oh, wait,
You
go.
can't see the video. You can't. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Check what's item.
That is so unfair. Feels
What?
like braiding is nobody knows. You know, two stuff.
Yes, the other one is on the other one. I can tell you it's an ice object. Get ice it for a while. That one must be easy, but I could have given it the first try, but touching it.
I almost don't know what stuff is in your house, boy.
But your grandma use it to wash the butt, to wash the boss. I make it from.
Wait, what is this? I want to first know what is this. Oh wait, what is that? Oh, wait.
You must tell me when you give up.
It's like a baby toy thing.
No. It's something you can eat.
Can you put more to the front? Or like feel it. Fuck is this away?
You can eat it there.
Is it just ice?
It's like iced. When you put it in the freezer,
I get two guesses now.
You get four. Because
Four.
I give it, yeah.
I guess this one is just ice.
Nope, you're wrong.
What is this now?
You can use it for your hair also.
Is it like a... What the fuck is it?
Your mommy use it for smokers if your mommy use one. Colors, typical colors, use it. All the colors.
There's a delicious thing.
What?
A shaki doma. What do you call that? You I know what it is, it's a
You're right by the sucking point, but it's the full sucking.
like orange shaki.
The other one is this one when you bite it, it's like strong. You before you make your food, you put that in, you cut it up and you put it in the dinosaur.
Garlic.
No. Onions.
Oh,
I gave you the answer.
okay, that's one now.
Onion suck you bastard. You can't.
But it's
I'm gonna give you the point.
Because I said
The half part, the half point.
what is this? Did I get this? Oh, can you eat it like while it's iced?
No. Yeah, you can. If you want to, if you're weird, you can.
What does that mean if you're weird? You can. But it's iced. How am I supposed to know? Can you like put it in the pen and like stuff?
No, it's gonna dissolve in the pen. Or it's gonna stick in the pen.
Yeah. Why is it so like flat under but flat on top? What you were giving away? What?
The condom. It's not a condom.
Oh, I was about now. Wait,
It's something you can eat. You can put it on bread. It tastes like nothing.
tastes like nothing. What tastes like nothing, boy?
That? You give up.
Doesn't ice taste like nothing?
Ice tastes like something. It tastes like ice down water.
Can you put this like on bread and stuff? Eat it just so.
You can if you want to. Yes, you can.
Now, how do you make it?
You can put it on bread. It comes from milk. And cows, I think. Cows come from milk.
Oh, you say that
It's a dairy product.
it's not cheese.
Huh?
It's not cheese. I'm saying it's not cheese.
Okay.
It is cheese. Wait, because you're giving me like
You say it's cheese or not?
cheese don't feel like this. What did you do? With cheese. But you said if you put it just on a bread, you weird. If you eat it just on.
You might like put it with something otherwise you're weird.
It's just like obvious.
It's very obvious. You like put it on sandwiches. It doesn't stay on the sandwich, it stay there, yeah. You get the tomato, you get the patty, you get lettuce, you get, yeah.
It's not cheese, but it's not cheese.
I can't say that.
Oi! Yo, Aya, what's wrong?
Let me get a close up on this man's accent.
Nah, wait. Let me feel again. Not cheese.
Huh?
It's not cheese.
I can't say nothing.
It's cheese.
Get this video like 31. Or do you give up?
Just feel.
Lock in your answer, my bro. This is your last answer. Last answer.
Kies this away. On a sandwich.
You 34 minutes, Aya.
On a sandwich away.
You can put it on a sandwich.
Can I make sure you're still gonna eat it?
Say the ice is falling in the box. Yes, there's ice.
The bumpy.
You put the bumpy on bread.
I don't know, but
What does that do with the bumpy, Aya? You give up. Look. Come on, let's see your accident. Come here, come here.
wait, don't be violent, be violent.
Okay, give here. You should have locked in your answer.
No, I should. Yeah, that's alright.
What cheese is it though?
No more cheese.
Wait.
I don't know what. Wait, what? Gouda. I don't even know what to say.
One more round, then I win.
That is not fair anymore, bro.
How's it not fair?
Because you know.
Now go out in the house, yeah.
No, you man, I'm not scared you now.
Just go out in the house. Nobody will notice.
It's alright, you can stay. Yes, first item done. My second thing is relax. Yo, you don't know what to take out. Seeing that I'm already losing now. Might as well go crazy with this one. Come in.
Hey, boys. Hey,
I'm already losing now because of that round, no? That's actually not fair enough, but okay. I'm going crazy with this one. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna take my time with this. Can I get the disadvantage?
No, just.
Can I do it with my feet?
Oh, wait, just do it with
My pinky. I swear, now what it is, bro.
Nothing. There's two
Funny,
stuff.
bro.
There's two stuff.
Two is a, but there's a big bag in
And
there.
then there's something on this side.
There's a big bag in.
Something on that side.
Why is that perfume? This is my perfume.
Let's actually show.
Okay guys, it's the end of the video of day 2. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications so that you know when we're posting. We love you guys.
Come and go through.
See you tomorrow.